Hey there, welcome back. Today I will walk you through how to see who has access to your Google Drive files. Now, let's dive into the core of today's topic. Keeping track of who has access to your Google Drive files is incredibly important. If you frequently share documents, whether for a collaborative work project or personal purposes, maintaining control over who can view or edit your files is essential. Understanding and managing access not only helps keep your information secure, but also ensures that you have the right people engaging with your content. Today, we will guide you through this process so you can manage file access with confidence. Let's get started on this step-by-step journey. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. You can do this by typing Google Drive into your search bar and selecting the appropriate link, or by directly entering the web address drive.google.com into your browser's address bar. Once you've reached the Google Drive homepage, you'll notice several navigation options on the left-hand side of the screen. These options allow you to easily access different sections of your drive. Among these options, find and click on the Shared With Me section. This area is particularly important because it displays all the files that others have shared with you. It's a handy way to organize and see what you've been collaborating on with others, making teamwork much more efficient. In the Shared With Me section, you'll see a list of files. The next step is to choose the specific file you want to check access permissions for. To do this, click on the file once to select it. It's important to remember that simply selecting the file ensures you don't accidentally open it, which can sometimes interrupt your workflow if you're not ready to view the document at that moment. With the file selected, direct your attention to the top of the page. Here, you'll find an icon that resembles a person with a plus sign, labeled Share. Clicking this icon will open a new window where you can manage the sharing settings. This window is central to managing who has permission to access your file. It presents a comprehensive list of individuals who have access and provides you with options to add or remove people. In this window, you can see each person listed along with their permissions, which might include viewing, commenting, or editing rights. These are straightforward terms you'll encounter in Google Drive's sharing settings. If you find that adjustments are necessary, such as removing someone or adding a new collaborator, this is the ideal place to make those changes. Simply click on the People with Access section to begin updating the necessary permissions. By following these steps, you can securely manage access to your Google Drive files. Remember to regularly check and update permissions to ensure that your sensitive information remains in the right hands. This simple yet effective routine can greatly enhance your file management and security practices, allowing you to oversee who can see and interact with your shared documents effectively. And that's it for this tutorial on how to see who has access to your Google Drive files. If you found it useful, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more helpful videos.